I dropped out of university when I was 19, moved to Hawaii and taught myself how to work online. Then I came to Costa Rica, invested in 32 acres of land, and helped build a mystery school. I make these videos to help you unlock your potential so you can live the life of your dreams. This one secret is going to help you become wealthy and manifest the life of your dreams. See, once I unlocked this, my entire life changed, okay? And it's never been the same. My life has been super magical ever since I discovered this. This is really, really key, and I feel like everyone should actually activate this within themselves. My channel is all about unlocking your potential and breaking free from the matrix, breaking free from the 9-to-5 cycle that drains your energy, okay? So in this video, I'm gonna share with you this important secret, and this secret is your uniqueness, okay? Each of us have a unique gift to give to the world. And now, okay, I know. You probably heard it all before. Lots of people are out here saying different things like this, like, yo, you got this gift, you got to share it with the world, da-da-da-da. But how do you really bring that gift out? Okay, this is the real question. See, a lot of people are actually able to tell you and explain to you how you can bring that gift out. And the reason for that is because it's an individualized process. But what I can tell you is that you were planted here in this planet, right? In this planned net. You were planted here by your higher self, by a version of yourself that already exists eons into the future that is way more advanced and perfected and refined, okay? And it planted you here as a piece of itself. And that piece of itself came here and was planted as a seed. And that might be where you're at right now, as a seed. But the beauty of the seed is that the seed contains the entire genetic blueprint of the grand tree, of the grand being, of your higher self. So all you have to do is recognize that you actually already have the blueprint. You already have everything you need inside of you. And when you recognize that and when you begin to blossom, right? In order for a seed to grow, what do you got to do? You got to put your roots in. You got to have some stability, some balance, a foundation so that you can stand upon, right? And a lot of people are feeling very shaky about America right now. The whole foundation is all like, whoa, like there's all these riots and all this crazy stuff and this virus and the vaccines. And it's just like, that's all about what it means to exit the matrix. Because when you exit the matrix, when you leave that system and you start to actually invest in yourself, you start to decide, okay, I'm done with these governments that are trying to govern my mental. It's time for me to become a sovereign being and take control of my own life, right? When you make that choice and you make that shift where you leave the matrix, then you can build a new foundation, one that's not so shaky that you can stand upon with some roots, like the earth, right? So this is really, really key. In order to actually become wealthy and live the life of your dreams, you're gonna need to unlock that uniqueness within yourself. And you do that by nourishing yourself, okay? This is really key. Like, think of yourself like a seed. When you start to nourish yourself, right, what does your body need to thrive? It needs some exercise, it needs some mental clarity, it needs really good foods, you know, it needs the most highest quality air, the best source of water, the best source of foods, the best source of friends, the best source of connection. It needs all of that. And when you start to actually make that investment to enable you to, like, when you give those things to yourself, when you invest in yourself, when you be like, okay, nothing else is more important. All right, really, truly, nothing else is more important at the end of the day. I have to get my life figured out. I need to get these basic things, these basic elements in my life so that I can succeed, so that I can become my greatest self. When you start to do that, what happens is your entire life will completely change, because when you start to get the nourishment that you need, you gain the ability to grow and to sprout into who you actually want to be. So this is really, really key. If you want to become wealthy, like, wealth comes when you align your heart with your work, okay? When your heart is involved with your work, wealth is gonna come. And wealth also comes when you become an alchemist and when you can take anything and change it into anything else. So these are really, really key principles. If you wanna become wealthy, naturally, what is, like, when you look out into the world, what is valuable? Okay, we got gold, we got silver, we got diamonds. What do these things have in common? There's a limited supply. They have a uniqueness. They're not like this fiat money that can just be printed out of thin air, right? That's why Bitcoin is valuable, because there's a limited supply of Bitcoin. So get on your cryptocurrency game if you're trying to become wealthy. These tips are super, super key, okay? It's right there, right in front of you. The universal blueprint does not lie. The truth does not lie. It's right in front of your eyes. All you have to do is actually step into it and recognize it and learn how to read it. So, if you want to become wealthy, If you want to live the life of your dreams, then you need to unlock your uniqueness, because your uniqueness is one of a kind. There's no one else here that's like you. So don't try to be a ripoff of someone else. You know what I'm saying? Really figure out who you are, figure out what your unique gifts are, and then offer them to the world. Because when you start to offer those gifts to the world, you become compensated, right? Because this is how energy cycles. Whether you're an amazing artist, you're an amazing musician, you're really, really smart and great at developing websites, or you're a social media manager, or whatever it is, maybe you're great at fixing things, right? Whatever that is, you can offer that to the world and put your unique spin on it, because that is what is going to be valuable to others. So that's what it's all about at the end of the day. If you want to become wealthy, invest in yourself now. Start nourishing yourself. Stop listening to all those people that are like, nah, man, you gotta go to college. You gotta go to university. You gotta do this and that and this and this and this and this, and you need to do that. You need to, you gotta tell them that, you got this now. You got this now. And when you got this, they'll see it, because all of a sudden your actions will speak for themselves. I'll tell you. When I was 19, I dropped out of university and took a flight to Hawaii. I have $500 in my pocket at the time. I had no idea what I was doing with my life, okay? I had my spiritual awakening in high school, and when I went to university, I was just there, and I was like, man, these classes, like, man, they're not for me. Like, I would rather be outside hiking, connecting with nature, getting back to my source, like figuring out who I really am, what I have to offer. These things are very important. What school does, like, school is the opposite of bringing out your uniqueness. Unless you have a very specialized path. Like if you're like a doctor, you're someone that is like very focused, that you really need to study, you really need that knowledge for that, then for sure, like school can definitely provide value, at least if you want to be a doctor within the realm of the matrix, right? So I'm not dissing that, that's what's up. But if you do not have that specialized path and you're in school, what's happening is school is putting things into you, right? But education is derived from the Latin word educare, which means to bring out the uniqueness of the individual, right? So recognize that if you're in school right now and they're putting information in, in order to compensate for that, you need to be able to deprogram all of that, and you need to be able to bring out your most uniqueness at all times, okay? Like you have to put in extra work, like get home from school and then put in the work. Like as soon as you have that free time, like really figure out, make that investment into yourself, because that's really what it's all about. Like anything else in the world, if you want to become your greatest self, if you want to become and live the life of your dreams, you got to put that investment. You got to start planting the seeds now. It does not happen overnight, okay? It's not something that's that simple. It takes some time, it takes some effort, it takes some work, but it's surely worth it. So thank you all for tuning into the message today. I hope you enjoyed it. By the way, I should be getting something else that I'll be able to, like a selfie stick that can hold my phone so it won't be so shaky. So thanks for bearing with me in the meantime. I'm just working with what I got. But yeah, have a great day, everyone. Aloha and pura vida. If you enjoyed, be sure to subscribe, click the like button, and comment down below. If you want to work with me personally to help bring out your uniqueness and you want some advice and someone that can hold you accountable along the path, then be sure to click the link in my bio and sign up for a consultation with me. It'll be a great time and we can work together. It's going to be fun. So anyways, and then another thing too, just as a message, I'm currently working on a book. I'm going to give it away for free. It's everything that I know in the past 5 years of my life that I've gathered to actually get where I am today. I'm going to call it The Blueprint for Ascension, a fundamental guide to help you unlock your potential and exit the matrix. So be sure to stay tuned for more updates on that. And thank you. If you enjoy this content, if you feel like it's going to be useful to others, please help share the channel. Trying to get to 1,000 subscribers right now. It's been a lot of work in the progress, and mostly it's been because I've spent so much time really inside myself doing the work that I haven't had the time to actually come out here and to make these videos and to share what I've learned with the world. But now I feel like that's that time. This is the time to do that. So as always, thank you all for the support and have a great day. Goodbye.